This brand is a part of Daikin Group and the controls are sold and installed by authorized dealers. The GTST is compatible with all Goodman communicating HVAC equipment. It can be linked via Wi-Fi to the Goodman Home app for control from an iOS or Android phone or tablet. In addition, the GTST can be voice-controlled with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. For efficiency and comfort, homeowners can program up to 4 schedule events each day on a 7-day schedule. The control also senses and controls the humidity in the home for enhanced indoor air quality, but it lacks many of the features that you would expect in a modern smart thermostat. The Prostat Plus PSP 4273RT model is a Wi-Fi-enabled smart thermostat that also displays the current local weather and forecast, but there are internet security concerns around products that are Wi-Fi enabled and made in China. Their warranty is not as good as most other thermostats that require dealer installation. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.